Hello, my name is Dr. Jodi Blubaugh, and I'm Assistant Professor of the Business Administration Program at Mount Aloysius College. The department offers a course called Community Practicum, where we partner with a local organization to bring the classroom into real-life situations. The students will be able to further develop their skills and abilities in their major by using a hands-on approach to connect theory to practice. In fall 2020, students enrolled in the Practicum course will be working with Tranquility Gardens, a local nonprofit organization and a premier educational and wellness retreat located in the beautiful Laurel Highlands. I am here with the Executive Director of Tranquility Gardens, Dr. Cresson.
Welcome to Tranquility Gardens. Come for the day and see the world, but more importantly, join us for this Practicum course with Dr. Blubaugh this fall.
The wisdom of Confucius, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, along with many other great thinkers, are depicted in quotes and enhanced by architecture, statuary, and artifacts, as well as nature itself. In these strange and uncertain times, we find that some of our greatest fears and failures come to the forefront of our awareness. We can welcome this time for pause and reflection to learn some of the great and long-lasting lessons that can be found in these often avoided strengths.
I look forward to having you in class.